Leading by example. The next aspect of raising pious children is for a parent to set a good example. All parents desire for their child to be pious, but this is unlikely to occur if they themselves possess bad character. Many parents often complain when their children do not offer the obligatory prayers. And in many cases, the parents themselves have not established their prayers. If parents do not control their tongues, how can they expect their children to do so? Children imitate their parents. If their parents pay little respect to adopting piety, in most cases, so will their children. Therefore, it is important for parents to practice what they preach. No one is demanding perfection, but they must strive to fulfill their obligatory duties at all costs and act on as much of the established traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, as possible. This correct attitude will encourage their children to do the same. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.